Hello friends. This video makes you pro in PowerPoint presentation. Let's start. First, go to the Insert tab and insert the text box. Fill with 8-. Then select all using Ctrl+A. Then, go to the shape format. Choose the text effect and choose the style I select. Now enlarge the size of the text box. Now insert a rectangular shape and fill it in the slide. And send it to back. Then, select the shape first and next the text box. Go to Shape Format. Click the Merge Shape and select Combine option. Then, fill the shape with white color and remove the outline. Now, insert picture from your computer. Send the picture to back. Then adjust as I am doing. Now, select the picture, go to the animation, and select the line animation. Then, now insert the text or your contents. After that, select the text boxes. Go to the animation and choose Float in Animation. Check the Start with Previous. Friends, see how attractive the slide is. Subscribe and make your presentation 10x stronger. Thank you.